Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the TACKLIFE Stainless Steel Shop Vacuum Cleaner. Yeah, as you can see, it is a wet and dry, powerful cleaner, vacuum cleaner. This is really awesome. Here you can see the seats are really wet, and I'm now use the vacuum cleaner to get this water out of it. So 6 gallons, 6 peak HP wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It has a powerful suction power for wet and dry working areas. Blow 3-in-1 function. That means you can use it for wet, for dry, and vacuum, and you can blow it. This means you have 3 functions in one device. Awesome, isn't it? Suitable for garage, basement, van, workshop, vehicle, and it is a TACKLIFE PV305B vacuum cleaner. You have a large capacity and a strong suction. This vacuum has a 6-gallon capacity. It makes small cleanup jobs a breeze for us, as we don't have to empty the bucket frequently anymore. 5.5 HP provides strong suction needed to most any cleanup jobs out there. The tank is made of high-quality stainless steel with metal wire drawing process. No need to worry about rust and damage. Both is beautiful and durable. For costs allow smooth swiveling for easy of the movement. Movable accessory store compartment on top accessory slots keep our tools organized and accessible. 20 kilopascal powerful suction. Wet, dry vacuum cleaner are suitable for dust, dirt, debris, sand, sawdust, wood chippings, metal shavings, liquids, pills, and glass. I tried it. The vacuum cleaner also have a blowing function, which can blow out the dust that is difficult to reach. Yeah. This is really awesome. It works. I used it to clean my seats on my car, and it was really nice. It was so much dry in it. Oh, awesome. You have an air outlet filter. You have a HEPA filtration, the filter line, particles, and impurities. That means if you are using the HEPA filter, you can use it for dry operation. If you remove the HEPA filter, you can use it for wet operation. You have a speed regulation function on it. On the handle, there is a sliding block. If you have too much suction, you can open the sliding block, and there is the suction power will go down a little bit. You have some different floor brushes, as you can see. For carpet and wooden floor is the carpet use suction, and for wet. This is for wet, what we are going to install now. The other ones for all other stuff, homework, etc. Here, there are some brushes on the front and the rubber labels on the back side. This is good for your standard stuff. Then you have the stainless steel brushed effect body. Oh yeah, this is really awesome. As you can see, it looks really nice quality, and it feels so too. You have in this good vacuum cleaner all what you need to get a good vacuum cleaning. So the model PV305B, capacity power 20 liter, 1200 watt. It is the frequency voltage is 230 watt. That means European standard, 50 hard. Or you are going to use the American style thing that is for the American market. But it's the same. It's only another voltage and frequency. The airflow cubic meter per minute is 1.75 plus minus 1. Vacuum pressure 16.0 plus minus 1.5 kilopascal, and the noise is 77 decibel plus minus 2. You can see here we are now performing how to use it. This is for the vacuum cleaning thing, and the button on the top side is a switch button to make it on and off, of course. You have a really long cable with it. This is awesome too, and it is really easy to open, as you can see. The only thing is you have to use the two clamps on the side to get the inner thing out with the Hepa filter. Here's the Hepa filter. The Hepa filter is good for filtering some odors out of the air. And if you're going to use it for wet vacuum cleaning, remove the Hepa filter first. It's really easy. As you can see, there is a lock on the top side, and this lock you have to rotate right turn to lock it, rotate left turn to unlock it. But here's more. What is inside? There you can see there is something inside. That means we have some good extra things. You have here a nozzle. This is a bristle brush for sofas, bookshelves, curtain and furniture, etc. Like the car seats. This is really awesome for it. Then you have a Grievous nozzle for corners, cracks, etc. And here's a brush installed on the top side. And it's really awesome to use this because you can rotate it. If you rotate it, you can use it with brush or without brush. And if you're going to use it with brush, you have a good nozzle for edges. Really awesome and smart. Good job, TACKLIFE. This is really good job. You can host them on the extension tube itself. So then you have it every time immediately for operating on hand. So here, let's install the gas wheels into the holes on the base. Push them in position, job's done. This is really easy, as you can see. And now we are ready, nearly ready to start the vacuum cleaning process. If you are getting more for a longer range of the handle, you can use the extension tubes for it, and then you have a long range of it. So now let's perform a short test. This was awesome. The noise was not too loud. But now let's remove the Hepa filter for wet operation. That was not too loud, I think. Now let's go to the blow option. Attach the tube on top. So as you can see, it's really easy to operate with their thing. You have a different kind of operations method. Insert the handle into the tube with a twisting force. Then you can extend the tube with all extension tubes. And on the floor side, you can attach the floor brush. For example, you have a dual storage built in. You have a good plug and a long cable to insert into a socket, and you can perform it easily by pushing on top of the button. After you've filled up the trash bin, you can get this trash out of it easily as you did saw here. It's really easy. Empty the dust barrel, release the locks before you are empty the dust, and the job's done. It's really easy. If you have too much pressure, use a sliding block, and awesome. If you have some problems with the Hepa filter, if the sponge central filter just take off the sponge filter, then you can remove them and get them underwater, and after this allow the Hepa filter to dry out in the air. Then after this you can recycle or reuse the filter so many times, and if it's damaged you can replace it too, okay? But it's awesome. It's really a good wet and dry vacuum cleaner for a good price. The model is PV305B and it's made by TACKLIFE, and I like it really much. And in the future, I will show you how to clean sofas, wet, how to clean your seats on your car, for example, with the wet and dry vacuum cleaner. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.